Okay, I'm gonna get this all cleaned up now. Sorry to cut in. I didn't really do a very good intro for this video, so here is my intro. I'm just gonna be doing a speed clean of the basement. I hope you guys enjoy. Yes, my hair is blue. There'll be a video coming very soon to explain what happened with that. Yeah, so be looking for it. All right, enjoy the video. It is pretty horrid. I'm just gonna be honest. This is just the mess. Honestly, the kids had a school day yesterday, and Tony was home also yesterday. So Tony's been home for Tony and the kids have been home. Tony and Colby have been home the last 5 days. So it's been us four, yeah, that too. It's been us four just here for the last 4 or 5 days, and this is just the result of that. We did have people stay at our house, not last week, but the week before that. And it was my sister and her daughter. So we still have some leftover mess from that. It has not gotten all the way clean. But yeah, I guess, I mean, there's really nothing left to do other than just to clean this mess. How bad is this? Seriously. Like I can't with this. All right, I'm gonna set this up and we're gonna clean.
Y-V-W-X-Y-N-G.
Yeah.
I know my ABC. It's a 3.
Yay! You do so good. Wanted to show you guys the finished result here real quick. So here is behind me in this room. Okay, and here is this room. And then this area right here. So pretty much we got it all done. Feels good. And that took me less than an hour. I can guarantee you that because I started a little bit after 1 o'clock and Everly, my niece, gets here at 2. So let's check and see exactly what time it is here. I don't have anything that actually says the time though. You know what? Let me run upstairs and get my coffee. Oh, and I did leave this table of mess. It's not really mess though. There's some mess on it. I'll probably tidy it up a little, but it's mostly things right now. Papers we have to go through from my car. That chair, Charlie's really dangerous with it, so we don't let her sit in it. And then just a couple of pop bottles, which is super lame that I should have just cleaned that up too, but I forgot about it, so if you want me to be honest. Oh my God. And then tonight, which I'm probably not gonna record, but let me show you guys what I'm in for tonight. How does this happen? How is this one person's job to clean up after this army of people? It's not even an army, it's one 2-year-old. One 2-year-old does this. I can't keep up. Oh, okay, the time, 2:05. Took me probably right around 1 hour to do all of that. So I might even call this a power hour clean. Show you guys how much it snowed yesterday. There's the ramp that I built for the kids. And our snowman's out there too. which I keep looking through the basement windows thinking it's a person standing there, but it's just a snowman. All right, I think I'm gonna wrap this one up for today. Hopefully I can get it edited real quick and get it out to you guys. First, I have to put up my hair dye video, so you guys will probably see that one first, and then I'll put this one up a couple days later. All right, guys, I'm doing the best I can. I'm vlogging as much as I can. I'm vlogging whatever I think is interesting or somebody might want to watch. If you guys have any ideas for me, let me know. Otherwise, we're just gonna keep dipping our feet in, trying, seeing what works for us. So I will just see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. All right, guys, so it's like 20 minutes later, and I just wanted to show you guys a quick update. I just felt like really weird about leaving this table looking nasty. So I got it all tidied up. That Walmart box actually has all Colby's Nintendo Lab stuff in it. So we're not gonna get rid of that. So we actually have all that in there, kind of up out of reach of Charlie. But yeah, so we have some of his Lego boxes that he still has to put together, some window art. Is your baby writing? Everly's here with us now. Hi, Everly. Hi. Oh, she's giving Charlie a kiss. Oh, that's nice, girl. Oh, Everly, are you kissing Charlie? Yeah, okay. All right. But yeah, I'm gonna head out. Gotta go get Colby and Bradley from school. I'm trying to keep up with these two, but you can see that they're already starting to very slowly pull things apart down here. So, and that nail polish stain, that's from me, that's from this color. I accidentally left it open and let it drip onto the carpet overnight. So I need to buy some more nail polish remover to keep trying to work it out. Hopefully it's not too late now. I've already way lightened it because it was like solid this color before. So fingers crossed I'm able to get that out the rest of the way. But yeah, that is everything done. All right, guys, now seriously this time, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.